Hey, good morning. Greg Buckley from Buckley's Auto Care. And today we have another episode on a third-party warranty situation that I really have an issue with. And so, unfortunately, so does the owner of the vehicle. So let me explain real quick. American Car Center and American Financial are the, I guess, financing companies for this vehicle. And this is where this young man and father of three purchased the car from, down in Alabama, I believe he said. Anyway, it comes in for repairs. We look contract over, and long story short, we get authorization after almost 2 weeks of wait, or almost a week of waiting for an authorization for this repair, as the customer is waiting with 3 kids at schools. This is their only car, a real problem. Now, we get authorization for the repair, but they want to send us the wrong item that doesn't fix the car. So we have to call back, which takes another 3 days. Finally, we get the authorization again, and we get it approved like we should after almost like 8 days of waiting. And so we proceed with the repair. All along, this young father and mom and family are waiting to get their car back. And they can't, because we have to wait on parts. We have to get everything in order. It's a process. Now, the real problem comes in is getting paid for it. So here's where I'm waiting to get paid when I called for final authorization and their credit card was declined. Not just once, not just twice, but 5 times. Finally, after 3 more days of trying to get paid, we get this excuse like, well, the card was compromised. Okay, well, most warranty companies will have at least 10 different numbers. The arrangements with banks and such is so that they can call you up with any kind of card number and offer it to you, and you get paid as the vendor, right? It's pretty seamless. It's not bad. However, with this one, it's a bad sign when the warranty company cannot fund or make the repair or pay for the repair that they already authorized. And that's a problem. And that's a sure sign that there may be issues on their financing side or their financial status. Whereas, hey, do they have cash to pay their bills? Are they getting paid? It becomes a really big hassle. In the meantime, this family is out of a car. You cannot release the car until it is paid for. And unfortunately, that's the situation with what this young family is doing. So the problem is when you are looking to lease or purchase a car from anybody, understand the financing, understand the company. And for myself as a vendor, I need to really look at, well, who am I dealing with? Is American Car Center worth my time? No, it's not. Is the financing side of American Car Center worth my time? Absolutely not. Will I ever engage with American financing again? Absolutely not. It's a live and learn, and hopefully there's a resolve to all this, because if not, then what comes down to having to keep this car here, the owner of the car, or actually the person financing the car, has to get an attorney, has to go through all the hassles. I have to have impound fees, and it becomes a real pain. So with American Car Center and their financing arm, from what I learned, they're a private equity, and private equity can be kind of tepid when things start to go south. They could actually leave and abandon, pull the plug, call it a day, and they're out. And then everybody who's part of that is left holding the bag. Then they got to go through the attorneys. This company is private equity funded, and the car market today, where car values were high and they would have to buy at a high rate, now they're low, so they've lost a complete asset class, the value of an asset class. So they have to be kind of like getting underwater, is what I see. Anyway, that's a personal opinion, and I don't know the finances of American Car Center or American Financial. All I can tell you is that I'm a guy who's not been paid for a repair that I was authorized to do, and I expected to be paid. Unfortunately, again, the family that is leasing or leasing this car or buying this car, the owners of the car, are out the car. They can't go anywhere. And they're going through trying times because they don't have a vehicle. So anyway, American Car Center, no good. American Finance, no good. So just beware. Just had to let you know that they're a problem. All right. Well, listen, there's good ones out there. Stay tuned. I'll try my best to offer some good ones. Assurant Media, or excuse me, not Assurant Media. Assurant underwriters are the people who underwrite some of the best in the business. If you find out who underwrites these warranties, look for, and that's Fluff. Hey, Fluff. Anyway, she interrupts everything. All right, well, listen. Take care. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care. As always, drive safe, drive smart, drive healthy. See ya.